Hi. There is a lot of discussion around artificial intelligence, or AI, right now. One of the key questions in marketing is about how AI is going to change marketing as we know it. In this video, we share the changes we see being driven by AI over the next few years. The first major way AI promises to change, that is, to improve marketing, is by transforming the way marketers can create and deliver more personalized content to individual customers. By rapidly analyzing customer data, including past purchase history, social media opinions, and other data, AI will be able to produce tailored recommendations and offers to customers in near real time. Not long after, this will extend to providing personalized content to customers through websites and service interactions. The next major way AI will change marketing is by making marketing more efficient. Tasks like video production and SEO that used to take time and effort by humans will be automated and routinized. These tasks will continually improve as the AI learns on a 24/7 schedule. Copywriting and creative design will become the domain of the AI as well. Finally, AI will also make marketing more effective. By analyzing and acting on more and better information over time, the return on investment of marketing will increase as the AI improves customer insights, targeting, and efficiency over time. So, what does this mean? In essence, it means that, in time, the role of us humans in marketing will inevitably become one of big-picture oversight and management rather than day-to-day doing. How soon is a matter of opinion, but it doesn't seem like it will be more than 2 decades from now.